pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Long Beach local and long-distance movers near me. In Long Beach, people refer to 3 Movers for having a smooth long-distance moving experience. However, you need to hire a long-distance moving company to cover all your moving needs from scratch. With 3 Movers, you have the option to pick a full or partial service option. For example, you can choose the full service option wherein the team will clean, pack, load, unload, and settle your new apartment. Or else you can pack all the stuff by yourself and hire only moving services. So, the team will load and transport your belongings to the new place. Local moving is often seen as an easy-to-do task. However, when carrying a DIY moving, you are at risk of injuring yourself and damaging your belongings, such as the refrigerator, breaking the furniture, and more. Therefore, it is suggested to hire 3 movers for your local moving. You can pack your stuff yourself and let the movers handle the rest. However, you also have the option to schedule your moving, and the 3 Movers team will pack, load, and unload the belongings at your new apartment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Long Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.